Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Plasticity, Freecad and Solidworks. Plasticity, Freecad and Solidworks each serve different needs in 3D modeling, and choosing the best one depends on your goals, experience level and budget. Plasticity is a modern 3D modeling software designed for industrial designers and concept artists. It combines NURBS modeling with an easy-to-use UI, giving you the ability to create complex curved surfaces with smooth precision. It's ideal for quick concept iterations, and it feels more like sculpting than traditional CAD. Many users love it for its speed, elegant workflow, and the way it simplifies hard surface modeling without sacrificing control. However, it doesn't support parametric modeling or advanced simulations like engineering-focused tools do. Freecad is open-source parametric modeler that's popular among hobbyists, engineers, and educators. It allows you to create models using constraints and dimensions, which makes it perfect for mechanical parts and assemblies. It's also highly customizable with supports for scripting in Python and a variety of plugins for specialized tasks like FEM analysis, CAM, and architectural design. While it's free and versatile, its interface and learning curve can be challenging for beginners, and performance may lag on complex models. Solidworks is a professional-grade CAD software used in industries like automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. It provides powerful tools for 3D modeling, assemblies, technical simulation, motion studies, and more. Solidworks excels in design validation and collaboration features, making it essential for large teams and product development workflows. It offers a polished interface and robust support, but comes at a high price and it requires a Windows environment. So if you want something fast, artistic, and affordable, Plasticity is a great option. If you need a free, capable engineering tool with parametric modeling, Freecad works well. And if you're working on large-scale professional engineering projects, SolidWorks is the most compatible and reliable solution. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.